Okay, hello everyone and welcome to a digital homework video based on the physics activate book. Today we're going to be going back and looking at scientific questions. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Okay, our learning objectives for this lesson are going to be how you're going to be able, how a scientist develops an idea into a question that can be investigated. So we come up with an idea and then we want to find out if it's true or not. We're going to be able to identify independent, dependent and control variables. So what's the question? What's our key vocabulary? Observations. What do we see? Investigations, we try and find out and learn about what we see, why it happens. Data, information, predictions, we say what we think is going to happen. Okay, so here we go. Observations, scientists look around to see what's happening around them. Investigations, we try to find out why things happen the way they do. Data, we are collecting information to help answer the question. And predictions, what we believe is going to happen. So we need to develop our ideas into questions. So here's some tennis balls. How might the size of the ball affect how it bounces? If we make the ball bigger, we make the ball smaller, what's going to happen to the bounce? What about the temperature of the ball? Is it hot or is it cold? And what other things might affect how high the ball bounces? Oh, what are variables? A variable is something that can change when we do an experiment or an investigation. We have three kinds of variable that we're going to need to remember. You're going to need to remember this all the way from grade 7 up to A level. It's going to be really important and you need to understand them. We have an independent variable, a dependent variable. So an independent variable changes as part of the experiment. So in our tennis ball idea, the variable might be the temperature of the ball. The dependent variable is what changes as a result of the change. So in this thing, the independent variable would be the temperature of the ball and the dependent variable would be how high it bounces. And there's one more important kind of variable which is called a control variable. So what is a control variable? So is there anything else that might affect the way the ball bounces? What will happen if these things change when we do the experiment? Might they affect how high the ball bounces too? If they do, we've got to control them. We've got to keep them the same. Because if we don't keep them the same, what made it change? Was it the temperature or was it something else? Okay, so that's why it's important that we keep things the same. These are control variables. Okay, over to you. Think of a scientific question that you don't know the answer to. Think what kind of investigation you could do to find the answer to the question. How would you do the investigation? You've got to design a method that's going to help you work it out and measure something. What will the independent variables be? What will the dependent variables be? And are there any control variables? And what observations do you think you're going to need to make? Okay, I hope you found that interesting, and just to let you know again, you need to know the kinds of variables. Please try and remember. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye-bye.